Hi guys, welcome to Chow. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese topping. We are not going to make from scratch, but we are going to use a ready-made cream cheese flavor powder. What I need para sa cream cheese topping natin na to, ang kailangan natin ng 50 grams ng cream cheese powder in 150 ml of very cold water. So, i-measure muna natin. Again, gumamit tayo ng scale para sigurado talaga yung measurement natin. So let's do the tare. I need 50 grams. So, you can buy any powder form cream cheese topping na available sa market. So I need 50 grams. That's a lot. Grams. Oops, konti pa. Yun, exactly 50 grams para sa ating cream cheese topping. You can buy anything that's available in your market. So, you can check the packaging kung ano nakalagay doon. In this packaging, sa brand na nabili ko, they say 300 ml of cold water para sa 100 grams of cream cheese. So this time, kalahati lang gagawin natin. So, I'm only using 50 grams and 150 ml of cold water. So, let's get our cold water. So, nilagay ko na sa refrigerator yung aking 150 ml na water. Ilagay na natin yung ating cream cheese powder sa cold water. And then, what we need to do now is to blend. This time I'm going to use the electric blender. So again, dip it. Just blend it for about 1 minute. O pag nakita niyo na siyang very smooth na siya. So this one will go up to about, from 150, it will double in size to maybe about 300 to 400 ml ng cream cheese topping. So you see, just about the right time. See how smooth and how silky it is. About 1 minute. Okay, that's it. So, you see, it's almost in solid form. So, almost puno na yung ating half liter na measuring cup. So, ito na yung fun part and ito na yung moment of truth. Paglagay natin ng cream cheese. So, lagay natin sa ibabaw. Cream cheese topping. Second one. And the third one. When it started, talagang pinipilahan tong mga cream cheese tea. So, ang pag-inom daw, meron daw technique sa pag-inom ng cream cheese tea. Usually, hindi yata siya ininom, hindi siya ginagamitan ng straw. So, you have to like tilt it a certain degree para una nyo matitikman yung cream cheese, tapos unti-unti nyo may inom yung tea. So, I'll give it a shot. So creamy. So you really have some milk foam or cream cheese foam sa lips ninyo. But I really had a little bit of a taste of the cream cheese. Masarap talaga siya. And just the angle ng pag-sip ninyo ng tea, konti-konting naiinom yung ilalim. So, hindi siya agad mauubos sa ibabaw. Unti-unti nyo siyang iinumin hanggang maubos na sa ilalim. This is nice. I like it. So, I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching and ciao for now.